Good morning. So today is Sunday, which is one of my favorite days in the week, or of the week. Sunday and Monday are my two favorite days. But anywho, today's Sunday and today's a lunch and learn, which is when the RMS Girls comes to the house. This is actually the first time we're doing this. And we kind of go over things like expectations, requirements, things that I've seen within the few months we've been working together, and then how to improve. We'll also be going over some folding techniques just so that we're on the same page. So they should be on their way soon. And yeah, I'll just kind of show you guys what we do and go through, and then we're going to be eating some pizza. Well, I'm not going to be eating any pizza, maybe some breadsticks, but they'll be eating pizza. That's going to be the lunch part of this lunch and learn. And yep, that's pretty much it. And then after that, it's on and popping. We have a lot to do today. So yeah, let me get everything together. They are about to be here in a few minutes, and then I'll get back to you guys soon. Welcome to my world.
You fold this like this, or?
Oh no, no.
Once?
Yeah, just once. Since it's already straight.
Yeah. Either way.
The waist always goes in because it has the most fabric.
Oh, okay, and then. This part's still short. I was just gonna.
This is yours on top,
Thank you.
and then this is yours.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yeah. The picture quality.
Yeah.
Send you a picture on Christmas.
Yes. Send me a picture. Bye. We didn't even take our Christmas photo. Oh crap. It's too late. They've already left. Dang. It's okay. Anywho, hey guys.
We just made it out of the meeting.
I'm sweating. I'm sweating under my armpits. Why do you want to touch my armpits? So we just finished our meeting. Very successful meeting. It was a pretty laid back meeting. Nothing. No issues. I just wanted to make sure that we were all on the same page as far as expectations, requirements, especially for next year. And I'm really laid back. Honey, can I please? Thank you. Can you pick up your stuff, please, off my floor? Since she wanted to interrupt our meeting and be the focal point. What? You don't even know what focal point means. Anyways, yeah, it was a good meeting. I'm so happy I had this. Finally, I've literally been wanting this for the last 3 months, and then finally I was like, you know what, all you have to do is book it and just see what happens. And everyone was available except for one. We're missing one of our RMS girls, but she's busy, which is okay. I mean, I'll just fill her in. And yeah, that's it. I'm so happy this happened. Next, I'm going to communicate with one of my clients. We have a session tomorrow with her. We're going to be organizing her pantry and her laundry room. So I want to make sure that we're both on the same page. And then we may be going to IKEA in the Container Store. I'm still trying to figure out what's the best move because we have a party at 3 and they'll be having, go ahead baby. Thank you for taking your stuff out. And they'll be having, the party will be at a play place, and we have to be there on time, you know, so we can't play with time, as I always do, CP time, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to see if I don't have to go to the Container Store, then we'll be on time. If so, I won't be on time. Plus I have to see if I have to change now or just have some time to work on other things and then go to the party from here, because I was going to just go to the party from the Container Store or IKEA, whichever one we go to first. But anyways, we ended up eating some pizza, and I just ordered me some breadsticks, which was pretty good. I feel a little bit guilty because I ate nothing but carbs, but it's okay. You know, I think I should give myself a cheat day sometimes, not always. So I think today was my cheat day, and I really enjoyed those breadsticks. I haven't had those in a while. So I think I ate about 3 or 4. But anywho, but yeah, that's my day so far. Off to a good start. I feel like I don't know if my foundation blended, but oh well, at this point it's a bit too late. Just ignore the armpits. Hey, baby. Oh, you don't want to open it? Can you just give me some? Just give me some. I'll do this. Oh, that's enough. Why'd you give me all of it?
Why?
Is this fine? Can I have this? Okay.
I did not get you all of it.
Oh, okay. Wow, I haven't had nerves in a long time.
No, I don't want it.
Okay, so dang.
Because you kept doing it.
Someone's on this period.
That's sexist.
Play hard, her solo and yalaloo. That's for you. And say you, I say me, I say that is family.